Yes, go ahead.
So, in regards to cooking on Yom Tov, no, not in regards to cooking, actually in regards to benefiting from a pre-existing fire that was lit before Yom Tov, is this the same fire that we have to use for cooking?
Okay, so let me explain you like this. I usually when people cook on Yom Tov, they leave the stove going, so they would keep. For example, we have two days of Pesach, let's say, right, or two days of Rosh Hashanah, right, coming Rosh Hashanah. So we would leave the fire on the stove going for 2 days, right? So we would not relight the stove. But for example, if you want to, for example, you have your food, everything is ready for the first day, and you might need only the fire in the morning. So you don't want to burn this gas or whatever you're using for 8 hours, 9 hours, right? You would need only in the morning. There's no problem. So you can light up the stove from a pre-existing flame, right? So there is like yard-side memorial candles for 48 hours, right? And you can use sometimes like one time we ran out of this 48 hours candles, so we have only 25. They 25, 26 hours. So we used two candles. So after one candle, after 1 day, we actually lit the second candle, and there's no problem. But for convenience, people use 48 hours candles. And from this candle, you can light the candles on Yom Tov candles. And if you need to start cooking, so you can start the fire from that candle, yes.
Thank you, Rabbi. So, if the person doesn't have like a stove that works with gas or propane, the person only has electric burners, electric stove, or a hot plate. Does he have to leave it on through all Yom Tov?
Yes. If I need to cook, for example, we try not to cook. But sometimes when people like to, whatever, sometimes we must cook, right? Sometimes, but I'm not sure. Like maybe past few years we did not cook at all. So like whatever we cooked before the holiday starts, and even I don't remember. Like sometimes it's 3 days in a row, right? So it's Thursday. So it's a holiday. I think that's what this year, Pesach. Maybe I'm mistaken. So it was the holiday started Wednesday night. So it's Thursday, Friday, and Shabbos. 3 days. So it's proper to cook for all of the 3 days in advance. So like enjoy on Yom Tov. Don't start cooking. It takes time. It detracts from enjoyment of Yom Tov. And so, but if needed, okay, you can start even actually from the beginning. Yom Tov, you're allowed to shed the cow. You can kill the cow and start cutting up and salting and do whatever you need from the very beginning. Is it recommended? No, but in olden days they did not have refrigerator, and of course the fresh meat is much better than refrigerated meat. All right, it's there is no doubt about it, right? So they would do the shkita on Yom Tov. Okay. But today, since we have refrigerator, there is no such a need. Just prepare. It's proper to prepare. I mean, again, it's not halach. It is allowed to cook on Yom Tov, but from my personal experience, just don't. It detracts from my enjoyment of Yom Tov. That's the thing. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes, you're welcome.